So let's talk about the For You page. Everyone wants to get on it, and nowadays that is like the only way you could get noticed on TikTok. And not everyone may or may not know about this trick on how you can get on the For You page, but today for this video, I'm gonna be telling you guys some things that you should do to get onto the For You page on Musical.ly/TikTok. By the way, if this is the first time seeing me, then hello to you. My name is Erick, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure that you are subscribed to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, then let me know that in the comments, because they will be the next shout out for my next video. And to these people right here, thank you so much, and shout out to them for turning on my post notifications and staying active like 24/7. Also, another thing is that I might be doing a giveaway really soon, so make sure that you're subscribed, because you might be the winner for that giveaway and you have no idea. Just letting you know, and yeah. And now let's go through the steps on how you could be on the For You page. Oh, before I tell you guys these things right now, just to let you guys know that there is no exact way of getting to For You page, but these are the things that I noticed that I've been seeing on For You page in order for you to get onto your For You page. So the first thing that you're gonna think about is the content that you're gonna make on TikTok/Musical.ly. So on For You page, usually the videos that you see there are either interesting or weird, or something's off with it, if you know what I mean. Like, let's say if you see like a doggy, like, you know, dancing like like if you see a doggy doing like that, that's most likely gonna go on your For You page, you know? So that is one thing that I know about the For You page, and that is to make your videos interesting. And the more times the people watch that video, the more likely it's gonna go to the For You page, because TikTok/Musical.ly is gonna think, oh, if people are watching this like, you know, 10 times or something, then this is probably interesting, so let's put it on For You page. And basically that's what I think happens. Let me show you guys an example. So right now, let's check out our For You page. Okay, so this is our For You page right now, and it says here in the caption that it is bloopers. So that means that this should be either funny or interesting to watch, so let's see this.
I can do anything better than you.
As you can see from that one, the lights just turned on like what this magic right now. So just like that, it is interesting, and maybe a lot of people watch this multiple times. That's why it got into For You page, and that is the first thing about the For You page. Okay, let's check out more videos. Ooh. So this is a very good example. As you can see here, it is a transition video, and it's really interesting because the person threw the jacket up in the air and then the person suddenly appeared like what this right now, and that is very interesting and very nice to watch. Again, the first thing to be on the For You page, and as you can see in the caption, they use the hashtag For You page, and which gets us to the second step, which is putting the hashtag For You page. If you guys didn't know, TikTok/Musical.ly make this an official hashtag like a very long time ago, and as you can see here, it says everyone has it and everyone wants to be on it. See if your videos have what it takes to get on the For You page by sharing your best and most engaging videos. And that's what they mentioned there. It says engaging videos, like, you know, engage me right now. Basically what that means is that if your video is interesting enough that people keep watching it again and again, that's most likely gonna go on your For You page, so that more people could see and they could be like, wow, what this right now. So for the second step, I would tell you guys to use the hashtag For You page, because you might have a chance to get on For You page if TikTok/Musical.ly likes it. They'd be like, ooh, interesting, let me put it on the For You page. And I feel like sometimes this works, because I've used the hashtag For You page for a while now, and two of my videos actually went to the For You page, and those are this one right here. As you can see here, I use the hashtag For You page. Also, you're gonna know that you've been on the For You page if your views are much higher than the normal ones that you usually get. And as you can see here, my normal is like 40,000 views kind of thing. And as you can see here on the For You page one, it got into 217,000 people playing that video like what this right now. You know, that's like the whole population of some area, you know? And yeah, that is one of the things that you should do, and that is to put in the hashtag For You page, so that the chances of getting into the For You page are much higher. And also, if you put in the hashtag SkySpam, you might as well get featured on the end of my videos, if you guys didn't know that. And yeah. So the third step about being into the For You page is your lighting. I feel like this this is important because not a lot of people care about the lighting, but if you guys don't know, mostly on the For You page, they have clear quality videos and also their lighting is really good. Like right now, like you see this lighting right now, like hello. So if you have like, you know, you have a sun, go to your local sun, be like, sun, can you put some sunlight on? Or if you have some good lights, like, you know, like ceiling lights, or if you have a lamp, use a lamp to make your Musical.ly/TikToks, and trust me, that would help for you to get into the For You page, and I'm so sure about that one. Because if you look at the For You page right now, let's keep scrolling down and let's watch other people's videos. As you can see here, they all have good lighting. Like this is a good lighting right here. Good lighting because it's so bright. Then good lighting because it is outdoors. And pretty much whatever you see in the For You page, they most likely have a good lighting. As you can see here, like good lighting right now. Good lighting too, it's outside. And good lighting too. And good lighting too. Even though he's filming in the dark, he's actually really bright, and that is good. So if you guys want to film in the dark, you know, like lights off right now. If you wanna film like this, make sure you see yourself a little bit out, just like that. No, you did not see that. This audio is all over my For You page. I don't know why, but I've been seeing this a lot. Which gets us to the next part, and that is doing some trendy videos. I don't know if you guys noticed, I don't know if it's just me, but usually when I look at my For You page, it's usually the trendy videos that are like showing up there. Like let's say this audio right here, like the D challenge thingy. This is showing up a lot. And let's say you do a Musical.ly/TikTok into this audio right here that's trending right now. Most likely it's either gonna go on For You page, or a lot of people are gonna like your videos because, you know, they be seeing that challenge thingamajiggy on their timeline. And I have a good example for this one, and that is the slow-mo hack that I've been doing right here. I'm pretty sure you guys know about this, and that is the real or fake slow-mo thingamajiggy on Musical.ly/TikTok is currently trending. And for my video right here, I actually did the real or fake thingamajiggy. And as you can see here, I joined in the trend whether or not this is a real or fake slow-mo. And as you can see, it went on the For You page because it currently has 378,000 people watching that video. Like that is a lot of people. And also, the comments is 13,000. Like, that is a lot of comments. But yeah, again, if you join the trends on Musical.ly/TikTok, most likely TikTok/Musical.ly is gonna put your video into the For You page for other people to see and join into the trend. Okay, so the last step that I have for you guys into getting into For You page is to do the trending hashtags. As you can see here, we have a lot of trending hashtags. Usually there's like 1 or 2 every single day. So if you do any of those and you make it interesting, the lighting is good, a lot of people watch it many times, and all of those stuff, most likely your video is gonna be on people's For You page, and that is so amazing. So I don't usually do the trending hashtags because like, what this? But anyways, 2 days ago I saw this trending hashtag, and it was this one right here. It is called #MyPerfectDay. And around that time when they posted this hashtag, I actually went to upstate New York, and I went with my friends and we took some good pictures, and I took some slow-mos because maybe I will need it for Musical.ly, and I did. And basically for this hashtag, they want you to show the people what you're doing for vacation or something like that, and I don't have a vacation or anything like that. So what I did is that I compiled those slow-mos that I made, which is this one right here. So yeah, I made this one, and I was hoping that it would go on people's For You page. So I put in the current hashtag of that day, which is like 2 days ago, which is my perfect day. And I also put in hashtag aesthetic because that is like the closest hashtag that I could put onto. And I posted it, and I was like, okay, let's see if this is gonna go anywhere. So I was like, you know, playing Fortnite or whatever, and I got a message saying featured. I'm just like, what featured? I've never been featured since like spring. I was like, okay. So I checked, and I was like, oh, okay, they featured me again. Like, thanks so much to you right now. And yeah, I guess that is the one thing that could happen if you do the trending hashtags. Either you go into For You page or you get featured like this. But yeah, you never know. It's like, you know, egg hunting or something. Okay, last thing that I have to add on is that when you do trending hashtags, and let's say your video is like, you know, you're like really good, really soft, I like it like that. If Musical.ly/TikTok likes it, they might put it as an official example for the hashtag, if that makes sense. Because what happened for me is that when the hashtag aesthetic was one of the trending hashtags, obviously I had to go and make some aesthetic videos. So then I posted a video under the hashtag aesthetic, and when I check on the hashtag, as you can see here, they put my video as the second place, you know, for the example video. And this has 178,000 people liking it. I'm just like, Yo, visit New York City right now so you could film with me. But yeah, that is one of the things that could happen if your video is really good. And as you can see here, yes, I did film a slow-mo, and also I filmed this outdoors, which means that the sunlight's really good, there's good lighting, it's really interesting because it is New York City. And that's pretty much it. So that is some steps for you guys to follow in order for you to possibly go into the For You page. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you do ever get to the For You page, better let me know in the comments. I would watch your video, I'm gonna be like, boy, you deserve it, or girl, you deserve it. But yeah, if you have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a Musical.ly/TikTok and you don't follow me yet, be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all of my social medias, in which the links will be down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay? Okay. Bye.
Oh, just hold on.